YouTube, what's going on? I'm the Almighty Wolf Soul Kicks 14. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox the Air Jordan 1 Flyease in the Cardinal red colorway. So without being too pedantic, without being too loquacious, let's get right into the action. Let's check it out. See if we can get this to focus. Air Jordan 1 Flyease. People are like, matter of fact, I don't really know what people feel about these because nobody's saying anything. I know for a fact when these dropped a few days ago, Nike made us wait in line. There was a full-size run even after maybe an hour or two from when they dropped. So let's put this box down because nobody cares about a box. These are so dope. These definitely may not stay in the box. So they are true to what the pictures were showing. They do remind me of the Air Jordan 1 OG High New Beginnings, the 2-pack that came with the airships. Yeah, let's see here. Make sure we focus on the shoes, just the shoes. And we're definitely gonna put these on feet as well. Yes, sir. If you don't know the background on Flyease, just to sum it up, you're supposed to be able to put these on with one hand. I have a pair of cool gray ones. Well, not cool gray, they're wolf gray. These look absolutely fire. The leather is good on these. Very soft to the touch. They definitely give me that Chicago-esque New Beginnings kind of vibe. Yes, sir. In fact, this is a darker red, as you can see. See if you can see it. It's a much darker red. It's probably getting in towards the light wine red family. I'm gonna do a quick comparison right quick. Tell me that's not dope. You got this right here, in case you really want to just keep all the way bulls. And this right here, you can probably pull this off with maroon, burgundy. I'm sure you guys know how to dress and all that good stuff. So let's compare outsoles. These are the bloodlines, by the way. I just customized them because I really wanted me a pair of those Bloodline 2.0s that never came out, but yet some of you have. Yeah, we're not going to talk about y'all today. That's the difference in red right there. This is gem red. This is cardinal red. Is it the cardinal red from the 7s? These are fire. That's it. I just gotta find a reason to put them next to each other and say, hey, like, this is the difference. This is from a couple years ago. Alright, so you pull this open, pull these all the way out. You stick your foot in like that. Then once you're ready to go, bring this back around, face the strap, and voila. After missing almost every drop this week, I'm actually satisfied with these way more. Like, so as soon as I saw them hit the internet, I was like, yeah, I gotta have these. I'm not paying thousands for a shoe similar to this, just with laces and stuff. Make sure you guys see that right there. Now we're going to the on foot. I thank you guys for watching. Take it easy. Death Row shit.